Hello, and this is Scarlett's Mommy back for another good story, another 5-minute Easter story. This is called Disney Princess the Wishing Well. And I will be doing this in chapters. So this is the first chapter. One bright spring morning, before she met the dwarfs or the prince, Snow White leaned over a balcony and to catch a glimpse of the flowery meadow. But this was no ordinary spring. It hadn't rained much, and there wasn't nearly as many flowers as usual. Snow White tried to listen for the far-off tinkling of the forest stream, but instead she heard a cry that sounded as if it was coming from the wishing well below her balcony. She raced down the castle stairs and over to the wishing well. Snow White peered into the well, and she was surprised to find a little bunny inside. It was sipping from a puddle of water. "Oh, you must be thirsty," she said. Startled, the bunny tried to climb out, but it was too small. "It's much easier to get in than to get out," called Snow White. "Don't worry, I'll help you." She cupped her hands and leaned over to the bunny so the bunny could hop onto them, but it couldn't jump high enough. Almost, but not quite. "I know," Snow White said. "I can bring you up in the bucket." She lowered the bucket slowly, but when she tried to raise it again with the bunny inside, the rope broke. Snow White closed her eyes and wished for the bunny to be safely out of the well. When she opened them again, a squirrel had joined the bunny, leaning down to drink out of the puddle. "Perhaps there isn't enough water in the well to make a proper wish," Snow White thought. Eager to save the animals, Snow White decided to ask her stepmother for help. But when she reached the queen's chamber, she saw her stepmother staring into her magic mirror. Enchanted by what she saw there, Snow White tiptoed away. She knew not to disturb the queen when she was talking to her mirror. Snow White slowly descended the castle stairs, thinking about the animals in the well. As she looked down at her feet, she thought about how each stone step formed the grand staircase, and it gave her an idea. With renewed hope, Snow White headed for the trees. She sped through the meadow and into the brush until she came to a trail of stones deep in the forest. Snow White bent down to lift one of the heavy rocks, then hauled it out of the woods. Snow White rested the stone on the edge of the wishing well and peeked inside to check on the animals. She saw that a raccoon, a chipmunk, and a skunk had joined the others trapped inside. "Watch out," Snow White called before carefully dropping the stone down along the inner edge of the well. Without uttering another word, she dashed off into the forest once more. Oh, so cute. Soon Snow White returned with another stone, and she dropped it into the well. That's something. Get right to it, and then I dropped the page. Soon Snow White returned with another stone, and she dropped it into the well, the same way as the first. "Push this one next to the first rock," she told the animals, and then she brought another stone, and then another. All right, this is part 1. Get ready for part 2.